Hello, my beautiful lost queens. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I bring you the best. So, if you're looking to elevate your look this season with a style that is sleek, breathtaking, and perfectly frames your face, sit back and relax because this inspiration is for you. Today we are diving into the absolute best, most stylish braided hairstyle ideas for 2026 that will keep you looking like the queen you are. We have a goddess boho look. This is still dominating this year. It is the perfect blend of neat knotless braids mixed with loose, voluminous human hair curls. It's romantic, soft, and effortlessly classy. Let's talk about the crisp stitch cornrows. This style is clean, graphic lines that sweep straight back or into a high ponytail. It gives an instant facelift effect and looks incredibly neat for both work, day-to-day activities, or any event. For those who want drama and elegance, the French curl braids is the one. The braids transition into beautiful bouncy silk curls at the ends that bounce whenever you move. Let's bring on the culture. Fulani and tribal accent. This hairstyle is so beautiful. You have cornrows in the front with knotless in the back, decorated with wooden beads or gold cuff for that ultimate rich anti-aesthetic. Now let me give you some luxe secrets. To keep these hairstyles looking fresh for weeks, use a good braid mousse to lay down any frizz and always sleep in your silk or satin bonnet. So which of these styles are you trying next in your next salon appointment? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more hairstyle and beauty inspiration. subscribe button for more hairstyle and beauty inspiration. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.